Hello, my name is Jani Valkama. I'm Environmental Manager at Helsinki University Hospital, and I'm giving you an overview of our environmental work, and I'm focusing on climate mitigation and waste management. HUS Helsinki University Hospital is the biggest healthcare provider in Finland. We are responsible for organizing specialized healthcare in Uusimaa region. HUS key figures are 27,000 employees, 21 hospitals, and over 700,000 treated patients and over 90,000 surgeries annually. Healthcare causes 4.2% of the total greenhouse gas emissions in Finland. This is calculated by Finnish Environment Institute. Reducing our carbon footprint requires actions in all action categories. Our climate roadmap contains over 100 actions for reducing greenhouse emissions caused directly and indirectly by our activities. These are our climate goals for this decade. Firstly, to be carbon neutral for those emissions we can directly control and influence. These are, for example, emissions of our own energy production and anesthetic gases, purchased energy, transportation and waste management. The second goal, promoting low-carbon procurement, we approach through market dialogue and evolving requirements. And the third goal is to construct and renovate low-carbon hospital buildings. Our emissions have decreased by over 8% since 2020, and the climate actions are estimated to reduce total emissions by 25% in this decade. Procurement and construction make up the majority of our carbon footprint, as you can see. We have identified carbon reduction potential, especially in procurement of materials and services. Energy sector decarbonization and investments for energy efficiency improvements support our climate targets. By improving space efficiency, we reduce energy consumption even more. Consumption choices, as well as reducing waste from medical suppliers, pharmaceuticals and food also affect transport emissions. In addition, capturing nitrous oxide emissions is becoming increasingly important. In the following, I'm going to introduce you our climate actions. Our climate actions concern in particular the consumption of energy and materials, construction, transport and mobility. We reduce material loss and follow the principles of circular economy. We also seek low-carbon solutions from suppliers in our procurement process. Some examples of our climate actions. For example, we have increased the production of geothermal energy and solar power. We have improved the energy efficiency of our hospitals through a total of 17,000 megawatt hours annual energy saving measures during the years 2022-2024. We have set emission standards for vehicles and improved bike infrastructure. And we have reduced pharmaceutical waste as well as emissions from anesthetic gases and propellant inhalers. We have also expanded the options for recycling furniture and suppliers within HUS. For example, supplies that are about to expire can be recycled to another unit. During the year 2023, the use of inhalation anesthetic desflurane was replaced with sevoflurane. As a consequence, the carbon footprint of anesthetic gases has decreased 85% from the year 2020. Today, the anesthetic gases accounts only for 0.03% of our carbon footprint. Finally, I'm giving you an overview of our sustainable material use and including waste management and recycling. Many factors have contributed to the reduction in waste volumes. as you can see from the slide. I go through the diagram counterclockwise, starting from the pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceutical waste has reduced 20% since 2021 by avoiding unnecessary pharmaceutical waste, including expired medicines. Then the amount of mixed waste has decreased because of consumption choices of, for example, clothes and supplies. Then cost awareness, waste reduction and waste monitoring data used has helped us. Then paper. Digitalization has reduced paper 33% and confidential waste 27% just in a couple of years. The amount of recycled plastic packages has increased over 70% since 2021. This is the result of simplified waste sorting. Biowaste has reduced 16% since 2022. We have monitored and visualized the waste amounts, adjusted receipts, and have adjustable patient meal orders and sizes. And the cornerstones for the waste management are procurement criteria, waste prevention, consumption choices, waste reduction and sorting, and of course you have to ensure health and safety with effective sorting. Thank you for your time and interest.